Ano ba yan?
It's rice.
Ah,
It's a ladle.
ladle. Di ba?
Ladle.
Di ba hagdanan yun?
Ladle. And my plate and my blouse is the same color, and also my shirt.
Is leather.
Some color is violet. And this one is the same color. Nice. Like a color of my face.
Che.
Like a color of my blouses, short and plate. Kamote. Kamote.
Di ba yun yung English ng kamote?
Kamote. And hi. I'm here. I'm back.
Ay, picture lang yan. Oo, napindot ko. Picture lang. Okay. Very good.